In this tutorial, we're going to see how to set up conversion goals in Google Ads. Firstly, go to ads.google.com and log in with your credentials. Make sure your user role has edit permissions for campaigns. On the left sidebar, click Campaigns. You'll see a list of all your active and paused campaigns. Use the search bar or filters if needed to find the campaign you want to update. Click the same name of the campaign where you want to change the goal. This opens the Campaign Overview View dashboard. In the Campaign New View, click on Settings from the sidebar or tabs. This is where you can manage key aspects of your campaign. Scroll to the Campaign Goals section and click on the current goal to open drop-down list. Choose your new goal like sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, or app promotion. Select the one that best matches your updated objective. And after selecting the new goal, double-check the settings and then click Save to confirm and apply the changes. This will update how Google optimizes your Google Ads based on your selected goals.